Hi, welcome to Madras Academy. Today we are going to learn about how to install the PHP software and how to start the server. In last session, I already given this link apachefriends.org. Go to this link and download the PHP software, and as well as we need an editor, and for that I am using Visual Studio. And go to this link and first download the software, and how to install the software I will tell you right now. This is the website apachefriends.org website, and in this website we have to download the software from here. 8.2 is the latest version. Just click and download it. In my system I already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it right now. You have to download and you have to install it in your system. This is a XAMPP server, and it is an application server, and as well as in this XAMPP server we are having MySQL database servers also. So no need to install MySQL server separately, and we have an inbuilt server. Only this software we need, and no need any other software. And without this XAMPP server we are not able to execute the PHP code. Okay, so we have to download it and install it in your system first. Okay, and after that I'm going to use the editor, and for that we need Visual Studio Code, and go to this link and download the software from here. Okay, and install it in your system. And while we installing this software, you have to mandatorily we have to check this all the check boxes. So why we need to check this all the check boxes while we installing this software, I will tell you. Like this kind of windows you will be getting in your screen while we installing the Visual Studio software. In that window you have to check all the check boxes and then click next and install it. Okay, only this procedures we have to follow while we installing the Visual Studio code. Okay, and how to start the server I will tell you right now. So once you install the XAMPP server, we will be getting one control panel. Okay, so we have to start the control panel before running the PHP files in your system. Okay, so how to start the control panel I will tell you right now. After installing the cpanel PHP software, you will be getting the cpanel like this way. Okay, and like this type of windows you will be getting, and in that we have to start the Apache and as well as MySQL server. Okay, MySQL database server is inbuilt server, I already told you. So we have to start the Apache and as well as MySQL server. So click the start button and wait for few minutes. And first time if you are going to start, it will ask one alert message, and don't give denied or cancel. You just accept it. Okay, and that one we have to do it. And after that you will be getting one port number like this. Okay, and using this port number also we can identify whether we started the control panel cpanel in our system properly or not. We can able to identify it by this. If the server is not properly started, the port number will not displayed here. Okay, and after that we need to check whether the server started, but it's working or not. We need to check it out. So for that you can click the admin or else MySQL database admin. Okay, so any one button you just click it here. So just now I'm clicking this admin button. See, it's loaded successfully. Now MySQL Apache server is running, and database server is also running in my system. Now we can write the programs in Visual Code. Okay, After installing the PHP software and as well as your visual code editor, how to use the visual code editor and how to write the PHP programs, how to execute the programs, everything we will see that. Get ready with your software in your system. Thanks for watching.